Hello dear students, today we're going to talk about quality management and human resource and what is the relationship between them. At the end of this chapter, you will be able to explain the inputs, steps and outputs of job analysis, describe the process of recruitment and selection, explain the essentials of training and development, tell the fundamentals of performance management and compensation. At the end of it, describe the types and advantages of work teams. Before we talked about job analysis, we need to know what is job. When we talk about the term of job, we're talking about group of tasks, duties, and responsibilities. For what? For achieving the goals, achieving the aims of the business and the organization or the organizations. When we talk about these tasks, duties, and responsibilities, it could be changed. They are not forever. It could be changed for over time. It could be changed because of the changing in the environment or because of the changing the workers. So we could change the job in the business history. Organizations have to understand and match job performance, job requirements, and people performance because they don't want to get or hire the worker who doesn't know anything about what they are doing. That's why they have to understand job requirements and people's skills and what they could do, their education, their responsibilities, their experiences. And because of this, it's an important thing because they want to achieve their goals. They have to, as a business, they have to do their job analysis. And job analysis means understanding what is necessary to carry out a job for planning, staffing, training, performance appraiser, and many other HR activities, human resource activities. There are 6 steps in doing job analysis of job. The first one, decide how to gather information. I want to get somebody to my business, hire. But what am I going to ask them? Which questionnaire or in the interview, which question am I going to ask? How am I going to observe them? Or should I go and investigate her or him? What they have done in the last job. So I have to find out the technique for getting information about her or about him. The second one, review relevant background information about the job. It's so essential for the understand job's context. For example, organization charts show the organization-wide division work, where the job fits in it. So if we see where the job it fits, so we can provide detailed picture of the workflow. We could know what is the duties about it, what kind of experience they should have it, what kind of skills they should have it. The third one, select representative positions. It's important because the supervisor generally selects a sample of position to center. We have to select it, we have to find it in the job analysis. The fourth step, actually analyze the job. The fifth one, verify the job analysis information with the worker performing the job and with his or her immediate supervisor. So it will help confirm that information, is it correct and complete, and help to gain their acceptance. I have to find out. Also, there are 6 steps in doing a job analysis. The 3 significant outputs of the process of job analysis: description, job design, job specification. When we talk about job description, a document provides information about essential tasks, duties, responsibilities, type of equipment or tools used, and working conditions about the job. So those information is crucial for the development of job descriptions. Job identification is composed of a job title, the name of the department, the reporting relationship, a job number, code, the date of the job analysis, and the whole document that we're talking about is a job identification. When we talk about job design, we're talking about creating balanced jobs in the context of organizational, environmental, technical, and resource demands. So for the efficiency of organization, we need to be careful about job design. So when we talk about job specialization, narrowing the performed tasks. For what? Promote higher levels tasks, mastery and thus speed, less training, more straightforward replacements we're talking about. The job rotation is the practice of transferring an employee from one division or activity to the another one. But when we are doing this, we have to look at it, his or her skills. Maybe we gave him or her a job, it doesn't fit him or her. Yes, he got that education, but it doesn't still fit because he has different skills. That's why we have to find out their skills, their education, their background, so we could do the job rotation. Job enrichment attempts to motivate employees by giving them more authority and independence for organizing their work and solving problems. And this job enrichment makes motivation in the workers. Recruitment means is a process of generating a pool of qualified applicants for organizational job. It's a strategic decision. Sometimes it could be internal recruitment, sometimes it could be external recruitment. When we talk about internal recruitment, we're talking about in the organization, we found out the employee. We don't go look for at the outside. And the external recruitment, we're finding the employee from outside. Sometimes direct applicants and referrals will take. Sometimes online recruitment we're taking as a business. Advertisements, newspaper, magazines, public employment agencies, private employment agencies, executive search firms, universities, and vocational schools will help us for recruitment. About the selection process, after we got the applicants or candidates, we have to select who is going to be useful for us. So that's why the first step, initial screening. We are doing initial screening as a business. The second is using tests. The third one, unstructured interviews or structured interviews as a human resource manager, they are doing it. The fourth step is pre-employed screening and background checks. And final selection, the supervisor usually, mostly, wants to see employees' performance. And the sixth step is medical examination, and management notifies both successful and unsuccessful candidates about the decision. Training and development term, when it came to that term, those terms. Training is the process people acquire specific, identifiable knowledge and skills for use their present jobs. Sometimes we need to give them some educations. Yes, they have education before from universities, maybe they have experiences, but every business has different facilities about their works. Development is a combination of formal education, job experiences, and relationships to employees prepare for the future their careers. About performance manager, it's a continuous process identifying, measuring, developing the performance of individuals. We're trying to find out, are they doing their jobs good? Are they using their skills? Are they the best employees that we have chosen or not? We have to find out those kind of things. In this chapter, we explain the inputs, steps, and outputs of job analysis, describe the processes of recruitment and selection, explain the essentials of training and development. We talked about fundamentals of performance management and compensation. At the end of it, we describe the types and advantages of work teams. Have a nice day. See you in the next chapter.